Hi, this is Mihir Thakur from the Game Changers, and today I really want to share something absolutely fantastic that will blow your mind. Yes, it is that level of an announcement. For the last so many years that I've been in the coaching and consulting space, there is one person that I deeply respect and go to for all of my coaching needs, somebody who I have learned it from personally. And we are so delighted, myself and Barry, to be able to bring this amazing, heart-centered, most humble but amazingly brilliant human being to Australia to share his secrets on how he creates such amazing masters of human change and transformation and behavioral change. So we are pleased to announce, and we are really excited to bring Carl Buchheit to Australia in March, in Sydney and in Melbourne, to run his signature 3-hour workshop for those of you who are in the business of influence and change and transformation, be it in your own business, be it as a coach or a consultant, or if you are someone who is looking to transform your own life to make it more meaningful, more successful, and understand what it takes to really have the experience of life that you deeply desire. So this 3-hour workshop is for you if you are serious about creating influence and change and more success in your business. You're going to learn something more fundamental about what is human behavior really made up of, right? What are the building blocks of this being that we call as being human? What does it take for us to identify somebody's internal map of the world? How do we step into somebody's map of the world and understand them, right? And appreciate that so that we can bring about the right level of influence and change that is suitable for them, that is suitable for you. So if you are somebody who's interested in learning more, and think about it this way. If you had an opportunity to sit with a genius from the past, be it Newton or Einstein or Leonardo da Vinci or Beethoven or someone, would you be willing to spend 3 hours of your time sitting with a human being at that caliber? Carl Buchheit is one such amazing genius who has transformed the science of human behavior, and that's why you should be at this event. So please sign below, reserve your spot. This is one of the best 3 hours that you will ever invest in your life, and it will be life-changing. We look forward to seeing you at the event. Thank you.